Hello friends, my name is Sukhvinder and today I'm back with one more video, and this video is about Jabra USB headphones. So basically these headphones which you can see on the pack is from Jabra. So Jabra in recent times have come up with very good headphones and earphones. So this is one kind of headphone which does not require actually headphone jack on your PC or on your laptop. So these are basically for PCs or laptops because these are USB supported. You'll have to connect it through a USB port, and it has its own hardware which will be detected, and then it will work on your system. So as you can see, the model number is HSC016. Okay, and the price, what I can see or you can see from the packaging is 5455. So basically these headphones uh, came to be as a from my company where I work. So I thought of just putting in a review for people who might need a USB supported headphones for some reason. So these are basically for meetings and all, because it has a very good sound quality for voice purposes. As you can see, it is certified for Skype for Business. You can see certified for Skype for Business. So what you get on these earphones is, I'll just show you. So this is the headphone what comes in the box, and there are some manuals. Okay, and this is a warning and declaration booklet in all the languages of the world. Okay, so apart from this, you have a small quick start guide which says you how to connect and what are the functions supported. So as you can see, it shows you have to connect it to a USB port, and you have like other options, like you can rotate the mic, you can rotate the earphones, you can extend the earphones. There are many options. And then is the controller. It has a controller which has some basic functionalities like volume up down, and then there's a mic button which you can directly mute the mic from the controller itself. You don't have to control mute the mic from your PC or laptop. And there's one more button which you can see, there's a telephone button. This is basically for telephony purposes, like if you have a Cisco uh, mobile telephony installed on your PC, then you can directly call using this headphones. Okay, so I'll just put this separate and I'll show you about the headphones. So you can see these headphones, it's a very good looking headphones, and the build quality is good. I can see it's not very like cheap kind of material, it's a good material, and the foam is also good. I can see the foam is good for your ears. And so this is a mic part, it rotates this way and all around this way. So for people, if you want to use for the left hand side, you can just keep it this way, and if you want to use the same earphones on the right hand side, you have to just rotate to the other side, and now it's a right side headphone. So this way you can change the orientation of your headphone. And then comes the connector part. So this is, you can see, a USB port. So this can only be used in a USB supported devices, be it a Mac or a Windows PC or a Linux PC, because it has its own hardware. And when you connect it to a USB port, the hardware gets detected, and it works as a separate sound card for your headphones. So like it has just basic functionalities, like you can see volume up down, then the mic mute button and the call button. So for people who require a basic headphone, and they want like a headphone with a own USB controller, then this is what you can go for. So I'll show you how to connect it and what are the functions you get while you connect this to a PC. So guys, as you can see, now our earphones are detected by the PC, You can see the Jabra Evolve 20 as the model number being shown. So this voice what you are hearing right now is from the same earphones, the mic from the earphones. So you can like guess how's the mic quality of the earphones, and it's much better than the normal earphones you might be using. So I'll show you from the settings like what are the settings and enhancements supported by the earphones. So you can test the earphones. So that's not of use right now. So here are all the settings you can see. So from device manager, I will show you whether it is detected or what it's showing. See, you can see from the sound controllers, Java Evolve 20 ms. So it's being detected as a sound card, separate sound card, because the controller behaves as a sound card and it's the main controller for the earphones. So here your own sound card is of no use. And the enhancements I'll show you. You can see all these enhancements, low frequency, protection. So in this case, what happens is if you want to like emit out some of the frequencies, the frequency ranges from 20 hertz to 200 hertz. You can just select that particular frequency, and that frequency range sound will be discarded from your output. So yes, this is a good option if you want to emit out sub sound like low hertz or high frequencies. And the rest of the things are default Windows enhancements like loudness, equalization, and all. These are supported by almost all the headphones. And the maximum quality supported for the format is 2 channel 16-bit 48,000 Hz. That's a DVD quality supported by the earphones. So here you can see like the mic being detected as Jabra Evolve 20 ms. So the headset mic is being used, and right now I am also recording with the same mic, so you can see the volume level being shown. So if I'll disable from my mic, I'll just disable and show you how it behaves from the main controller. So now I have disabled it from the main controller. The voice what you are listening right now is a separate voice which I've recorded, but now the main controller is disabled from there, so you can see there is no volume level. So now I enable it back, so you can see again the level back. So the thing is, you don't have to disable or mute your mic from the PC. You can simply mute it from the controller provided. So it's a very, easy way to do that when you are on a meeting or something. And I'll just listen to a audio and see how's the quality of the earphones.
पूरी ना हो पाई इस जन्म में है हम तुम मिलेंगे उस जन्म में किसी और की महक
So the sound quality is very good. I can hear the bass and everything very nicely. So it's a good earphones. So guys, this was my video on the Jabra USB headphones. Hope you may have liked this video. And for people, those who require a USB headphone and they were going for this Jabra one, so hope this was useful for you. So thank you guys for watching my video. Take care. Bye bye.